Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to teach us how you can create loops for your laced back dresses. So this is what the laced back dress looks like. Okay, so I want to teach us how you can make these holes using what we call eyelets. So quickly I'll show us the tools you need in making this. Now these are called eyelets and they come in different sizes, and then they have the covers. Those are very flat, you can see them. And of course you need this multi-purpose machine that can do a lot of things. Okay, can fix beads with it, can do press button, a lot. So I'll take one of my eyelet like so. Okay, I'll place it in the machine there, then I'll place my fabric like so, and then I'm also going to place the cover now. Okay, so like I said, this machine is a multi-purpose machine, can do a lot of things. This is a cover there, so the fabric is in between the eyelets and the cover. Then you apply pressure. That's all. So this can be used to create your loops for your lace back dresses. Okay, so one advantage of creating lace back dresses is that it makes your waist to be snatched. Okay, and this is very easy to use, and I think they even sell a smaller version of this tool. Okay, so you can just order for it and start making your lace back dress. So this is the outcome of what I did. Okay, so I hope you learned one or two things from this tutorial. Yeah, if you did, kindly give it the thumbs up, leave your comments and reactions, and yeah, do not forget to like and share. Thank you so much for watching.